Hey, Dobby here with a slightly different video from normal. So I've got 3 boxes to open. So we'll do a mailbag video. So I'll get into these boxes and we can see what's inside. I've got some car parts in the auto ones, and you can probably already tell this is a jack down here. Let's quickly get the box open. We'll start with this one here. Yep, there's a knife to work. I'm in a slightly different area of the house today. I didn't want to drag these up to the office, so I thought I'd just do the unboxing here. Get this tape open. Spin it around, there we are. I do like Auto, they do pack the stuff very well. Very colourful boxes. This boxes, and there we go. Back to the cardboard. Inside over here we have some brake disc. Move position quickly, there we go. Put the box out of the way quickly. Here we are, we have a nice set of brake disc. Didn't get take down, but let me flip it over the right way. There we are. Inside this box we have some front brake disc for a Citroen. So here we are onto the next box now. There's a bit more items in this one, so it should be a bit more interesting for you. Let me get this package open. Those of you who watch my normal content will realise this is not normally how I do my videos. Normally I just do shorts, but because there's quite a bit to unpack, I thought I'd do a slightly longer format video for you. There we are, so that's open now. Let's get this cardboard out of the way. There we go. Inside we have some lovely packing. We have a gearbox mount for the Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. Pretty handy. We also have an alternator belt or drive belt. Again for a Citroen. All these parts are for the Citroen. We have some brake pads, rear and fronts. Going to be doing a full video on how to replace brakes, both rear and front, on the C4 Picasso that I feature quite a lot on the channel. We also have a cam belt kit, and we have some more brake pad disc. Let's have a look at the last one out of the box, and we'll have a proper look at them all. So here's the rear disc. They come in 2 separate boxes. We have, as I said, a rear disc. It comes with some replacement bits and bobs, replacement cover and that. We have the brake disc itself. We use a solid brake disc. Let me quickly get it out. Yeah, just inside here. You have the brake disc, comes with a wheel bearing all inside it. I've got 2 of these. They look fairly well made. I like how they come with a wheel bearing in it. Like it's got a nice cover on it, protective cover. That's good. They look good quality. I haven't used Ridex as a brand before, but I've heard good things, so I'm happy to give them a try and see how it turns out. Let's have a look at the other parts we've got. So to match in with that, we also have some brake disc. I'm pretty certain these are the front brake pads, should I say. I'll quickly get this open and we'll have a quick look at these, see what we think of them. Again, all very nice. Comes with caliper bolts. I think they're caliper bolts anyway. Nice little brake pads. I won't take them any further than that. Yeah, well made. Pretty sturdy. Pop these back in. And we'll look at the next set. You also have some rear brake pads. Yep. Let's get this pack open. Yep, a nice little set of rear brake pads. Pretty cool, pretty handy. And we'll look at the other things. Like I said, we've got this gearbox mount that we've already looked at. Pretty good. And we've already looked at the drive belt for the alternator and aircon and all that. Another handy thing to have, and this is the timing belt kit, or cam belt, depending on what you want to call it. We quickly open it up and we'll have a nice look inside it. Should come with a water pump and other things as well. Let me quickly get this tape open. So much tape on these. There we are. Another piece over here too. The inside it comes with a complete timing kit, so we've got our new crank pulley. We've also got our water pump and gasket. Very nice. Or whenever you replace a timing belt or cam belt, make sure you replace your water pump at the same time. It just saves you a lot of hassle. And we've got some pulleys, a tensioner, and the belt itself just down the bottom here. It's all pretty cool. There's also some instructions. So here's just a quick look at the front brake disc. You can see they're pretty sturdy, pretty thick. Got a nice coating on them, so my hand all slippery. Lovely. But yeah, I got all these car parts from Autodoc, all the ones I've shown you just now. The jack comes from somewhere else, but all the rest of the car parts I've shown you in this video come from Autodoc, as you saw me unbox them. Not a sponsored video, but I thought I'd show you and let me know what I think. The service was pretty good. It was a bit slow, but apart from that, pretty good service. All the car parts seem alright. They all look like they'll be the right parts. Only time will tell. When I do the actual fitting videos, I'll let you know. And now finally on to the last part of the video, which is this Red Star 3-ton jack. That is lovely and packed away in here, so let me get the straps off quickly. We'll get this open and we'll have a look at it. Luckily I believe this should just lift off. And inside here we have a lovely floor jack. It's quite a big boy. We've got a nice little protective rubber boot for the jacking part, as well as a detachable saddle, which is always helpful. So bear with me a few moments, I'll get this all unboxed and built up and I'll show you it out of the box. So here we are, it's out of the box now. As you can see, it's quite a big one. It's got quite a high range of motion. It goes from 135 mils, which this is 135 millimeters, all the way up to 460 millimeters. Comes with a really nice long handle with a little so it's detachable, makes it a bit easier to store. And yeah, pretty handy. We'll unhook this last bit of metal and I'll give it a quick look. Get it off, there we go. And the jack springs up nicely, and the handle just pops in here like so. Might need a bit of adjustment, just get off and do this bolt at the bottom here quickly. I'll drop it in and then you tighten this bolt down without dropping it. Kind of hard to do on camera, but and there we are. Get this all locked up so it's nice and tight. And yeah, quite smooth little jack. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.